How to use FL Studio on Mac. In this video, I'll show you how to run FL Studio smoothly on your Mac.
So to get started, first go to the Apple Studio website and download the macOS version. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions to install FL Studio on your Mac. When you first open the FL Studio, check the audio settings and preferences. From here, ensure that the correct audio driver is selected to prevent issues with the sound output. Next, you can start exploring on various features such as the mixer, playlist, and piano roll. Adjusting the buffer size might help reduce latency when using external instruments or plugins. To create your music, simply drag and drop sounds into the playlist, use the piano roll for melodies, and customize your projects as needed. If you run into performance problems, try lowering the sample rate or adjusting the CPU settings for better stability. Finally, don't forget to save your projects regularly. And that's how to use Apple Studio on Mac.